Hey, hello and welcome to this quick unboxing and overview of the Lastolite Halo compact reflector. So I've got it in the box here. In the box you get that, just a leaflet, and you get the main thing. So this is really small, and this, believe it or not, has a reflector in. So it's not the best case in the world. It has a carabiner for clipping on your bag, but this could definitely fit inside your day bag. So if we open up, we've got the reflector here, and we've got the frame here. And within the bag, we've got this as well. So I'm probably going to leave this within the bag here. This just allows you to add something onto the tripod socket. I don't know what you would add onto there, or maybe connect two together, but I'm probably just going to leave this in the bag for a rainy day when I need it. So you can see this is very small, and there's elastic string running through it, so it allows it to stay together. So what you do is you slot each bit together like so. So once you've assembled the ring, you've got to get the connector together, and to do that you just slide it into place like so. And once you've assembled the ring, you just snap the reflector part is silver on one side and white on the other. And as I talked about before, the handle has a 3/4 inch tripod mount. Right, let's go outside and see how easy it is to assemble.